Trade is about to activate. What's popping, beautiful people? What's popping, family? This is your guy, Mr. Holistic, aka Mr. Triple Eight, the only one that's gonna get in your face on a daily basis, show you how to get these fishes out the financial markets. That's what we on. That's what we on today. Let's go. Let me get my little setup here on YouTube, and then we on. We are on. Ooh, she pulled in that thing. She finna pull up in there, y'all. She finna pull up in this little green area right here. She pulls up in this area. We're buying gold. We're gonna be buying gold. So if anybody's late for class, set up here on YouTube. Cut that down. There you go. We're gonna be buying live right here, right now. We're gonna be buying live right here, right now. What's up, family? How y'all doing? How your mama doing? How your daddy doing? Literally just got in. I literally drove straight from the airport, straight back to the house. Got in about 2:15. It is 4 o'clock. Team, no sleep. Oof, team, no sleep. I have a gold buy, literally getting ready to be activated. 33.54 to 33.51. I have my alarm set at 33.53. So if we get a little down play movement in this little green area real quick, we're gonna take her. I'm gonna go to a smaller time frame to kind of like just to see it. I think if we get a push in, I'm excited for it. I'm excited for it. I'm excited for it. I'm excited for it. I'm not in her yet, but she might take off. She might take off. She might go from 55 to 56 real quick, but I want to see like a 53, 52. I want to see that and then get on in her. This is what I want to see. This is what I want to see. So we're watching it. We're watching it live. We're watching it live on TikTok. We're watching it live on YouTube. The world is watching. Gold is live. So we want to get some little sale pressure to just pull in right up in here and then literally bankhead bounce up out of there. The market is in the oversold market. Gold is in the oversold market. So I think we still have a lot of selling pressure. So if we get that little push down, I'm looking at that 51, 52, 53 area is going to be a banger. Should be a banger. So patience is the key. Patience is the key. Dun, 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 dun. Yeah, I like that 45, 42 also. I like it also. But this is like, I said, you know what? Yeah, this is a for sure area. It's a for sure area. So let's see what she gives us. Let's see what she gives us. Let's see what she gives us. So if you're over here on TikTok, you should be tapping that screen because what we're finna literally be showing you is literally a trade live. And for those who are on YouTube, make sure you literally hit that like button soon as you get into class to show your appreciation for learning and earning. You know what I'm saying? That's what you need to be doing. But look at this guy right here. Don't be a hater. Come on back in here, give us some love, drop us in, and we're gonna do that thing. Yeah, I think we get sell pressure up in here. We get sell pressure up in there. Let's go. Yeah, that's the gap area. That's for sure. That's for sure. So now we're patient. Now we're patient. Now we're patient. See what the market does. See what the market gives us. It gave us a little push up. So what that normally means when the market is pushing up in these small candles on these small time frames, that means she is creating a trend. You can see that trend on the 15. So when you're looking for scalps early in the morning into your zones, that's what's happening right now. So she's coming here to find a little bit more sellers. Once sellers come into the play, because people will be scalping from here. You'll see people seeing that little sell zone there. you'll see people scalping right up in here. Scalping for sales. That's what you'll see them doing. Boom, 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 boom. So let's see if we get a push down into our little zone, or does it just leaves us from here? This is what we want to see. I'll make it big enough everybody can see it. What's up, Jen? What's happening? For everybody that is coming into class right now, make sure you click that like button. Make sure you like, make sure you share, make sure you subscribe. Make sure you do what you need to do if you over here learning and earning. I gave a buy 3354, 3351 buy zone on gold. It was sitting at 3356 when class came, dropped down to 3355, and then it basically took back off to 3357. But I think she will reject from here, so we're waiting for that rejection back into our zone, and then we fly back out of there. Like some Frank Sinatra. Fly me to the moon, let me play. What up, JP? What up? What up? What up, fam? What up, fam? Look at the drop. Look at the drop. Look at the drop. Yes, let's give it to us. Give it to us. Give it to us. Let's get the early morning market money. Let's get the early morning market money. Got to love it. Got to love it. We want to see that. We want to see that pull all the way back down in here, then reject up out of there. Let's go. Let's go. Wow, man, what a trip. What a trip. I didn't know. You know what I found out today? I didn't know that when you're like dropping your family off internationally, you can't walk them to the security gate anymore. I didn't know this. What up, Wayne? What up, Crystal? I didn't know. I didn't know. Yeah, I took the sale too. I took the sale too, bro. I took the sale from the 3357. I just didn't want to scream it out because I already got the buy down here. But I for sure took that scalp sale. I for sure took that scalp sale. That's for sure. What up, Mag? What up? What up? What up? What up? What's up, Patrice? Buenos dias. What up, Cindy? What up, Carolyn? Hida. Keith. Eliana. What up, baby? Danielle. What's happening? What's happening? Yeah, I saw this right here, so I immediately took it. I took it over here. That thing gave me a quick little $50 right now. I just put a 0.25 on her. No income claims. No income claims, but $50. We're sitting right now. Oh my goodness. Let's go. Let's go. We want to see it live. I want to see it live. I want to see it pull back in there for us live, y'all. This is what I'm really waiting on. I want y'all to see it. If I move, I'm going to just move this down so y'all can see what I'm seeing. You see that right there? Look at that pressure. Look at that pressure. Look at that buying pressure. I think that heifer's leaving us. That heifer might leave us. But I want to see her come in here. This is where my buy zone is at, the 54, 51. This zone, 30 pip zone, is like right up in here. And this is like a straight slingshot. Last time she came in here, look at what the candle she produced. Look at the candle she produced, y'all. Sheesh. So if that thing comes right over in here again, sheesh. Bing, 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 boom. As Kendrick Lamar would say, the type of shit I'm on you wouldn't understand. Look at that. Look at that. Look at this. Look at this. She right back up again. Let's bring her down. And what's happening right now is like she's fighting this little area right here. And once she fights this little area right here and breaks it, boom. That was weird because I think I just heard my baby crying and now my baby ain't even That was weird. Maybe I do need some sleep. And it's NFP week. It's NFP week. That's for sure. I could have swore I just heard Ivy crying, and Ivy ain't here right now. Maybe, just maybe, I do need sleep. If you took that scalp sale again from the 33.57, you're like 10 pips in profit once again. We're just trading live on gold, creating market money first thing in the morning, just creating some house money. You know what I'm saying? Because that's what I always tell people. You should jump on right there in the beginning or the ending of London session, grab you some quick house money to have to literally invest into the actual New York Stock Exchange or into the Asians, and then going back into London again, you know, like that. I'm like over here like, I see dead people. It'd be like the little Blair Witch Project. I'll be like looking at somebody in the back room with my camera, you know. Oh my God. Oh my God. Dun, 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 dun. Yes, give us our push down. Give us our push down. Here it comes. We're watching the 15. We're watching the 15. We're going to take the position on the 4 hour. You see it? We're going to take the position on the 4 hour. And we're literally banking that we're going to get this same reaction once it comes back down in that same price range. This is what we're banking right up in here. This is exactly what we're banking. And here she comes. Here she comes, just walking down the street, singing do a diddy diddy dum diddy dee. Yeah, she coming in smooth. Look at that. Here she comes. Here she comes. The zone is 54, 51. So right now she is at the aggressive. She is at the aggressive. I don't take the aggressive, and the highlight is a little bit off, but the zone is from 33.51 to 33.54. So she's officially sitting at the aggressive. My entry will be at 53. My entry will be at 53. And we probably about to get her. We about to see it. I'll be putting my first entry at 53, and then I'll have my back entry at 51, and then I'll play her smooth out, and if it closes up under 51, I close the trade out. Literally just that simple. Literally just that simple. But that will be my first, like, kind of like real trade today. So we might need to scoop this zone up since it's already in there. Because that's still 354. Backside, yeah, let's go 50. So yeah, that's how the aggressive looks. And if you go back over to your 4 hour, which is where we're taking the trade at, it is like right there. It's like right there. I think she finna jump off. I think this heifer finna jump off. I like her. I like her. You finna see it live on TikTok. This is a live trade, live market, live people, real time. Y'all tap that screen. Y'all tap that screen. Real people, real time, taking trades. Real people, real time. Dun, dun, dun. Who's in it already? Who's in it already? There it is. I'm in there. I'm officially in there. I am in. Let's go. Let's go, baby. Let's go. And we're green. And we're green, live on YouTube. Let's go, beautiful people. We are green, pulled in, pulled out. Put some fire in the chat if you took it. You should be up already. We're in the buy from right here. We have already up 30 pips. Ew, secure market money early in the morning. Let's go. I told y'all that's a live trade right here, right now. Changing literally 25 cents. It's already up like $35 right now. Look at that pull up. Look at that pull up. I told y'all should be tapping that screen on TikTok. Y'all should be tapping that screen on TikTok. Y'all should be throwing 8s in the chat. I should have already 100 plus likes over here. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Where they 15 minutes at so you can really see it? Look at that. So you can really see it. Look at the pull up. Look at the pull up. On the money 53. On the money 53. Now we want this to push up. We want the next candle to challenge the EMA 9 at the 57. And we want to get a close above the 57 here in the next 15-20 minutes, this next candle or so. If not, she's going to retest back into the zone, and then she might start pushing to the back of the zone like that. But if we get a nice little blast off out of there, man, we didn't caught a whale. We didn't caught a whale this morning. Just to show y'all over here. You know what I'm saying? There she goes. We green over there. We're green over there. We're green. We're in it. We are in it to win it. Let's go. Let's go. Bow, 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 bow. We are the soldiers. Oh, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. If you're scared, this will be the time where if you would like, you can put your stop loss at break even. So therefore, you do not take any L's. So meaning you will put your stop loss right here at your entry, which is 33.53. So therefore, all you have to do is win this morning. No losses. And then you can keep shooting. That's the whole purpose. Keep shooting. Because if she takes off, man, you're going to love it. You're going to love it. You're going to love it. Let's go back over to that 1 hour. Yes. We want this guy to push out of there. We want a good push on that 1 hour. We want a good push on the 1 hour. We want a good push on the 1 hour. So I like when I trade. Yes, let's go. Give me that good push. Give me that good push. Let's go. So once we see 58, 59, we know we passed the EMA 9 on the 15. We know we're getting past that. You see? And I know the hour is going to do it because the hour is where we're going to, you know what I'm saying? We're going to see more rejection around about that 59 area. So if you want to take your money, start getting ready to take your money at that 58, 59. But this is 40 pip snipe real quick in your face. 40 pips, 40 pepitos. 40 pepitos. There we go. Let's go. Come on, baby. Come on, baby, get them daisies. I love it. We should see something like literally coming all the way up out of here. We should see this guy come out of here like that. Bam. And imagine it's early. It's 4:17 in the morning. It's 4:17. The trade is already in profits. You're already in profits. So even if you just took your money right now, this is Starbucks money. This is gas tank money. This is breakfast money. This is allowance money. This is, I just don't know where you're going to go and get it at. I don't know where you're going to go get it. But Mr. Holistic 888 in the OBG family. Let's go. Let's go. Tap that screen, beautiful people. Tap the screen because this shit is fire. We're going to be doing a lot of live streaming since my family is actually in Israel. So I got the house to myself. So there's no disturbance. I can play loud music. I can smoke in my office if I want to. Well, probably won't go that far, but But I'm for sure finna be turned up. This can pay your membership. Yes, this can pay your membership. This is membership for sure money. It's not Bugatti money. It's not like big Dookie rope chain money. It's not your Etsy money where you go buy your fake Cartiers. Look at the push. We got us a push. Give us a push. Give us that good push. Let's go, baby. Let's go. I'm telling y'all. I was going to get on here and teach and do all that shit. I was like, man, I ain't got no energy for none of that. What we're going to do is just going to get over here, find money on gold, give the people some fishes, feed the people some fishes, and then daddy going to sleep. Daddy going to sleep. My $11 to pay, hell yeah, I'm telling you, not $10 a day will pay for your membership. And it's literally just pressing a button. Just pressing the damn button. Just pressing the damn button. I want y'all to see that 4-hour pull-up. Look at that 4-hour pull-up. Look at that pull-up to the T. TikTok. Sheesh. TikTok, you should be over here with these people. You should be over here with these people, TikTok. Sheesh. Ew. Ew, that is nasty. As they would say, that is just flattering, disgusting. Oh my goodness. Let me relax. Let's get him. So she's still fighting at 15. She's still fighting at 15 right here. I'm telling you, she's still fighting this thing right here. She's still fighting this thing right there. Boom, 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 boom. But what you don't have to worry about is that there's so many buyers right here on those smaller time frames, which is allowing the market to literally just reject it in this area and then finally like start pulling herself together, getting her stuff together and just like pulling all the way back out again. Like this is what's popping off. Doom, 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 doom. So I'm excited. And imagine if you got your stop loss at break even, you're in a really, really good position because the market is outside the zone. It's back into this normal consolidated area. You have a lot of buyers sitting right here, retailer buyers. You have institutions here. So we're here. Retailers are here now that they see it going up. So now this is the fight now. The EMA 9, the exponential moving average, the 3357, you see. So once it gets past the 3357, it's going to hover over here at the 3358, and then it's going to bounce between the 3358 to the 3350, like 3360, 3362 in this area up in here, and then she's going to work her way back up. Boom, 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 just like that. Just like that. Got to love it. And all you have to do is literally monitor your higher time frame candles. Look at that. That is a beautiful wick on the 4-hour. When I have wicks like this on the 4-hour and an hour and 30 something minutes left, and it's PMI, and you got good news. You heard what it said. You heard what it said about PMI. Look. Where's the third? Let's go to the third. Dun, dun, dun. Oh, I think I was on another different third. I think I was on something else. Powell spoke yesterday? Oh, Powell spoke yesterday. Ew. Yeah. Jolts, job openings. That should be good. That should be positive. Yeah, it's good. Yeah, everything is good today. We should have some good news today. We should have some good news today. Look at that little fight. Look at that fight between the 15 minutes. This is the fight right here. This is what is keeping this trade, this candle right here from just blasting off. So this is the initial scalp that we were taking right here. The 33.57. But it's only giving you 33.56 to 33.54. So when people say, well, how do you know if you should be in the sell or you should be in the buy? I said, well, the buy has the better potential. The sell has higher risk, lower rewards. The buy has lower risk, higher rewards. You see? It's just that simple. And as long as she's hovering like over in here, above my entry, she can hover here for the rest of the day and I wouldn't give a damn. And then eventually she pops out. When she breaks out of that zone, we know we have a breakout pattern, a breakout of structure, breakout of the market. Boom, let's go. Like this. This is how we work. This is how it works. Because imagine, the trade is sitting right now in the oversold market, right here, y'all. And if this blue line crosses the red line, which I tell y'all, and pulls up into normality, yo, she can stay up in here all day and literally just bounce up in here all day. And I wouldn't give a damn because I'm going to go from, right now we're sitting at 50 some dollars in profit. Then you go 60 some dollars in profit, $80 in profit, $120 in profit. Like this. And that's what a quarter on the first trade of the day. You see? Well, actually, it's the second trade because I took the scalp sale. But you got two positive back-to-back trades, you see? And you're from the 53 to the 57? Come on now. Come on now. Actually, I'm up 60 something bucks. My bad. No income claims. That's the whole purpose, Siobhan. That's the whole purpose. Like, that's because trading is psychological. Trading is psychological, and most people can't handle the actual psychological part because they're already mentally jacked up. Look at that push. Get over that 57, y'all. Let's get that 58. Look at that push. Look at that 1 hour push. Let's go, fam. Let's go, TikTok. Let me show y'all, TikTok. Let me show y'all. Let me show you over here. You know what I'm saying? We literally changed 25 cents to $88. I don't know where y'all gonna do that at. I don't know where else y'all gonna do that, TikTok. But y'all should be tapping that screen. Y'all should be tapping that screen. Look at that 15 minutes. I think we over the EMA 9. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that 15, y'all. Look at that 15. Y'all should be putting some 8s in the chat. Y'all should be putting some fire in the chat. Y'all done woke up. Y'all done sacrificed. Y'all done been consistent. Y'all done created discipline. It is literally 26 minutes in class, and I already gave y'all money. And I told y'all that 58, 59 area, you might want to start wanting to take your money because a lot of sellers are going to try to come in and dump the market at that point. You know what I'm saying? I'm holding because I think she's going to fly up out of there. I just believe it's just a fight. We got 3 minutes for me to see what it does. You know what I'm saying? We got 3 minutes. If this candle, like here, right here, I'm telling y'all right now, this candle does not close above this purple line, 357, 350, 3358, 3357, here in the next 2 minutes and 40-something seconds on the 15 minutes, I personally would take my money and get ready for the re-entry back into the zone. Me personally. Like that. That's for sure. But I believe we'll continue our push from that last little section of pushing. And if we get that push above it, like what I want, man, I might as well put the Ice Cube song on. The day was a good day. The day is a good day, baby. Day is a good day. Do. And imagine if she does not, and she just closes like right in this area. Like I said before, as long as the market is trading in this area, right up in here, I don't care because my entry is here. She can play here all day, but when she comes above here and closes above here, that lets me know we finna start making some real money because we finna start covering areas. We finna start targeting that area, then that area. We finna start making a little higher highs, you see? That's what I like. That's what I like to see. But as long as she's sitting here, I have no worries. I mean, I just let time and let the market play itself out because this is like 15 minutes. You go back over to your 1 hour, All you seeing is the nice little wick, little pull down, but then you see your little pull-ups. You see? You see that little pull-up? Let's go, baby. Let's go. Let's go. I like it. I like it. Let's see that 15 minutes. Let's see what we get on that 15 minutes. Let's see what we get right here. We got 50-something seconds left in your 15-minute candle. I want to see her give us a nice little green candle. Next 40-something seconds, give us a nice little green push-up, little green little hammer, something like that. Even if we got a green doji, I'll be okay with a green doji at the top, right here at the 57 close, pushing from 57 to 58 on the next candle. I'll be happy with that. I'll be happy with that. Come on now, there we go. Last 20 seconds, last 20 seconds. Where them buyers at? Where them retail buyers at, beautiful people? Where them retail buyers at? You got 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Where your buyers at? Here we go. Let's go. Let's go. So now we're in the same game again. So we got a whole nother little 15 minutes. We got a whole nother little 15 minutes. She pushing. She pushing. We got to close at 57. We open up at 57. We already at mid 57s, trying to push up into the 58s. We see, as a psychology, she likes to drop from here. We keep seeing it. So when you notice this and you don't have the stomach for it and you go, yo, bro, I got to be at work in an hour or so, then this is where you take your money. This is where you just take your money. Or at least take partials. For me, I'm in the fight. Like I'm in the mix. I'm like, I'm cool with this right here. Whatever's happening right here, I'm cool with it. Because eventually the buyers are going to get the message and they're going to get the memo and they say, you know what? Bro, let's get up out of here. They're gonna get the memo right up in here, you see? And they're gonna say, bro, let's get up out of here. Here's your zone here. This is where the institution's at. This is where the big buyers at. You're gonna see it right over there. This is where your big buyers are. So I'm going, yo, bro, they already pushed it out of that because the market already came out of there. Boom, retest, boom, jumped off, came all the way down here for us, gave us this entry, boom, jumped off. Now we wanna see that candle fight this red line and get above that red line here in the next 15, 20 minutes. So the next 2 candles, 3 candles. Or you just want to see your 1 hour just blast off past this structure area. Right there. That's how it works. That's how it works. That's trading gold one-on-one. Trading gold one-on-one. Trading gold one-on-one. Set it and forget it, baby. Anybody got any questions over here? Anybody got any questions over here? Let's go. Let's go. I'm excited for it. I'm excited for us to win today. I'm excited for us to win today. Look at that 1 hour push. I want to see that 1 hour push get past that red line. We know that 33.57 is a brick wall right now. That 33.57, 33.60, that's a brick wall. We know it. We know it. We know this. We know this. So from once I get a close past 33.57 to a 33.58, I would literally just move my stop loss because of the way it is, the way the week is. I would just move my stop loss literally like 10 pips in profit, just basically to like break even. I got a 53 entry. I would bring it to the aggressive, which was 54. Look at this. Let's go on the 15. Look at that. Let's go over that red line. We at 58. We finna challenge the 59, beautiful people. If we get past that 59, I'm telling you, with the 58 right here where we at, she Willikers Batman. Let's go. Let's go. I'm more of a visual, hands-on learner, but then that's why you love my classes. And that's why you love my classes. Because this is, look at the 1 hour. Look at the 1 hour. TikTok, look at the 4 hour wick. Look at the 4 hour wick. I told y'all we're going to get this same candle. Man, let's go. Come on now. Come on now. Look at that 4 hour wick, y'all. Y'all can't make this shit up. You can't make this shit up. You can't make this shit up. Gee Willikers Batman. Gee Willikers Batman. When we live trade and you walk us through live situations on trade management, it helps me so much. Well, watch out, girl. Watch out. So TikTok, this is just an example of what we do on a daily basis over here in our organization. We're the #1 trading organization on the globe. I am your #1 digital educator in North of America, helping individuals have a better relationship with money. And because it is such a chaotic world full of scammers and all of this extra stuff out here in the world, it's hard to get to real people. But when real people show up, real recognize real, real recognize real. We're sitting at the 58 right now on their ass. Let's go. 58, 59 to the 60. I'm telling you, it's a monster area. It's a monster area. But we're going to go grab her. We're going to go get it. I'm excited for it. Let's go. North of America, bro. And imagine, I got on TikTok at 3:45 because the trade was going in. So when people go back and watch the beginning of the actual beginning of the what up, old Dusty? When people watch the beginning of the live, bro, I jumped on early because the trade was activating. We up 100 bones out of 25 cents. We up $110. Let's go, y'all. Let's go. Early in the morning. Look at the 4-hour Wick. We got a 59. We at the 59, y'all. We at the 59-yard line. Look at the pull up on the 4-hour. Sheesh. Nobody does it better. Bro, that's a 60 pip wick. That's a 60 pip wick from where we got our entry at the 53. And coached everybody into the 53. Nobody should even had nothing but a 53. Are you selling or holding? Jazzy, give me 150 push-ups so you can bring in that confusion question into the actual trade right now. We're in a beautiful buy right now. We ain't selling Nathan. But I will say, if you want your money, take your money. It's the best time to take the money. I'm telling you right now, it's the best time to take your money. It is the best time to take your money. That is on GP. That's for sure. Best time to take your money. Right here at that 59 area. Just being honest with y'all. People say, why, Mr. H? I said, well, because that 59, that 40, that 57 to 60, 33, 57, 33, 60 is a major sell zone area. And you'll see right here, right now. So if I basically put this right here, now just put it at the 60, buyout. That's at the 60. I'm going to put the other line at the 57. This is not a zone. This is me showing you a wall. This is the wall area. You see, this is a wall. Why? Because this looks like it's consolidating to try to get a breakout. So it wants to break out of this area. So when I see the market literally consolidating in a certain pattern and then dropping from certain areas, as you're going to see when you come over here to your pass, you see it drop from those same zones. I go, yo, slow your roll. If she breaks out of there, boom, boom, she continues up. If she consolidates it, that means she's going to come back down into the zone, find more buyers here, and then come back and attack this area, 33.57, 33.60 again. You see? Like that could easily happen. But I like the momentum. I like the momentum, baby. I say we fight. I say we push through. I say we green. We green. Are you doing open bail? I'm doing it Thursday, Denar. I'm doing it Thursday. Actually, I don't even know if I'm going to be able to do it Thursday. Fuck, I got to fly Thursday. But it's like, yeah, I'll see what time my flight is. Shit. Yeah, I'm going to Columbus, Ohio this week. Look at the drop. Watch this. Watch this. This is the drop from the 60. Look at this. She's finna drop. I'm telling you. In the sense, like, all she's going to do is just retrace back into the area and then fly. I believe in the buy, but I'm just showing you the areas of rejection. So this is why I'm able to be so calm in my trades. This is why I'm able to be more relaxed, no anxiety, no freaking out, because I see what the market is doing. I've seen it plenty of times to understand what it's doing. So the psychology of what's happening right now is not fooling me. Did you guys understand that when you're day trading, there's two things that I think a lot of people fail to understand, and that's your brain and your heart. This is like two things you're gonna have to fight. Like, you're gonna have to fight your brain from overthinking, and then you're gonna have to fight your heart from having all of these emotions and feelings, you see? Like, this is what's happening. Your heart gets all of these emotions and feelings, and then it requires the brain to start overthinking. And then when those two get together, and like you don't have any defense mechanisms or any self-developments or any consistent things that you basically put into your brain and put into yourself, then you're going to lose it every time. You're going to lose it. Look at the drop. Look at the drop. This is, I'm telling people, take your money here if you don't want to go through the fight, because it could easily come back down here and find more buyers. So when you're up $100-some right here, and then now you back down to like $70 positive, and then you're down $40 positive, $30 positive, now you're back at break even. Bro, why you didn't take partials? I told you to take your partials. That's your rejections. This is normal market rejection right here. The 5760. It's a heavy area. It's a heavy sell area. For scalps, not for big buys. The big buys are here in the zone. This is for sure. But the scalping, 30, 40 pips, 30, 40 pips, 30, 40 pips, it'll give you that all day. Hell, I'll even show you. What better way to show you that fat meat is greasy? This area right there. She bankhead bouncing out of there. But that buy looking good. That buy looking good. That buy looking good. We sitting at the 59, y'all. We sitting at the 59 for the buy for those who hanging in with me. You also said it may go down back into the 53s. The 53 zone. Of course it can. We got news. Of course it can, Jazzy. Of course it can. What I was saying in the beginning, I said, if it doesn't close above that 15-minute candle, close above that 57, then I will probably close her. The next candle immediately open up and push to 58 and then push back down. So as you see, the lowest it came to was like 56. We got a 53 entry. So if I'm still 30 pips in profit, I'm never closing that trade unless I'm going, you know what? I ain't really got time to be dealing with this trade. So I'm just going to just snatch my money and just go on about my day, because I ain't got time to be literally just stuck on my phone. Anytime I'm 30 pips in profits and I'm deciding whether I'm going to hold or I'm going to close, if the money ain't enough to kind of like, as they say, tickle my fancy, then I'm holding it. If I'm over here and I'm like, oh, it's just $100, oh, it's just $200, oh, it's just $80, like, brother, I'm holding that. I fuck around and look back at my chart and I got $500, $700. I'm like, bro, I'm taking that. I see 300, I take partials automatically. I'm like, yo, bro, that's $300. You got to take partials on that. Where you going to get $300 at from your phone? Take partials on that. These are facts. These are the facts. These are the Braves. Oh, yeah. Everybody Gucci? Everybody Gucci? That was an old question, but I'll do the 159. Oh, my bad. My bad. My bad, Jazzy. My bad. He's a mistake. You're hilarious. Because you know I'm losing money when I'm not taking your trades. Well, Hitter, you know what you got to do, mama. You know what you got to do. You recovered half the losses? Amen. 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 Up 70, took partials. Now break even, letting it ride. Amen. That's what I like. That's what I like to hear. Look at that. Took partials. Took partials. Let's go. For everybody that made money today. You know what I'm saying? It is 4:44. TikTok. It is 4:44 on the West Coast. We are hashtag team no sleep. Was in LA 5 hours ago. Well, a little bit more longer than that. Look at that, look at that, look at that. Watch that 50, look at the 15 minute. Look at the drop happening. Look at the drop that's happening. Well, just a rejection from the, and remember I told you, the 5760 it's just a heavy rejection area. And this is why I always tell people, a lot of people get anxiety right here. And I'm like, don't get anxiety. Like, it's just going to fight right here. You see, this is the fight. Now she right back here. She going to push right back up in here. But because that sell pressure right there, it's going to have a hard time pushing through it. That's just what that means. So that means it might take 2, 3, 15-minute candles to break out of the 57, 56, 5760 zone. So psychologically, I go, yo, if I'm going to hold from here, then I don't even want to watch it because I got my stop loss and profits and I've already taken partials. So at this point, I don't even want to watch this battle right here. I just want to go on by my business, do my thing, come back for open bell at 6:15 on the West Coast and go, yo, the market came all the way over here, bro. And now she's doing sideways movements up here. Done deal. Done deal. Done deal. Boom. Y'all should be tapping that screen. We got over 3,700 likes on TikTok right now this morning. Out of 22 people, just to let y'all know. We got 123 people only on YouTube. We got 103 likes. Sometimes the math don't be mathing. Sometimes the math don't be mathing. I'm so shadow banned on TikTok. I got 24 people on TikTok, but still managed to get over almost 4,000 likes. We're sitting at 4,000 likes right now. You got to love that shit. And here on YouTube, we still got 17 motherfuckers over here that still ain't pressed the button early in the morning, but making money. Boy, I tell you, this world is a crazy place. The world is a crazy place. But this is where it's at. This is where the coaching is at. That wick is beautiful. That wick is beautiful. We're going to remove the 5760 zone so people who are still in that buy. And we're letting it ride. My stop loss is at the actual aggressive at 33.54. My entry is at 33.53. So people want to ask, where do I see it going? Shit, 33.92, coming all the way back up to the roof. She didn't already left the roof, came all the way down to the floor. Bounced from the floor, back up to the roof. Amen. That's swing trading 101. Swing trading 101. Bye out. We're Gucci. Yeah, we're Gucci. We're still 50 papitos up from our buy, so I'm Gucci on this trade. It is 4:48. Daddy about to go to sleep. Daddy about to go to sleep. So don't ask me, yo, is it still valid? What you gonna do, Miss Dave? Shall I take my profit? What you gonna do if it come back down? Well, if was a fifth, we all would be drunk. You should have had your ass in class on time so you would have understood, wouldn't have pressed the button. When to press the button. You got that sale at $92.89, Mag? That's a spot, Mag. That's exactly where my zone would be at. I was finna type it up there. I was just finna type it up right now. 33.92. Boom. 30. 89. Sale go. That's your zone right there. That's your zone. Let's go. 92, 89. Bye, y'all. There she goes. There she goes again. Bring it over there. Because that happened. Make it look good for TV. Make it look good for TV, baby. And we taking that one down there. From the sale to the buy. From the buy to the sale. Let's go. Do 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 do. Oh yeah. Yeah, TikTok's sensitive. They hella sensitive. But look at that Wick on the 4 hour, y'all. We in there, baby. We at the 59. We at the 58, 59. We pushing towards the 60 for those who stayed in the battle with your boy. Stayed in the battle with your boy. Stayed in the battle with your boy. Like I said, patience pays. You've already created a nice little, small little trend. Small little trend right here. Boom. We can ride that trend all the way out. See what she does. See what she does. We're gonna leave that right there. We're gonna leave that right there and see how she plays out. Look at that. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. We got 10 minutes left in class. We got 10 minutes left in class. This is a full 1 hour class on TikTok, on YouTube with a 100% positive trade, zero drawdown, entry, blast off, profits, projection, passed over an actual like a hurdle at the 57, sitting at the 59. And let me tell you, here in the next 9 minutes, if we get a nice close right over here. Oh, 1 second. Second. So let me turn this screen around because I need to use my phone and say bye-bye to TikTok. Yo, TikTok. Deuces. We're going to be live streaming. Listen, we got 7,000 likes over here on TikTok, y'all. We got 7,000 likes over here on TikTok. TikTok, I'm fucking with you right now. I love y'all. I'm fucking with you, TikTok. I appreciate the love. I appreciate the love. I appreciate the love. I appreciate the love because we moving and grooving. We moving and grooving. We're literally finna approach that 60 area. 3360. 3360. Let's go. Let's fucking go. Everybody should be green, 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 green. Green, 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 green. I love you guys. I love you guys. This is beautiful. This is beautiful. I love you guys. So listen, TikTok, I'll see you guys later. I'll be live streaming once again later on today. So therefore, make the rest of your day the best of your day, beautiful people. Deuces. Are you buying at the floor and selling at the roof? Well, you already know. You already know the strategy. You already know the strategy. Buy at the floor, sell at the roof every day, all day. And even when it misses, it still was a good shot. We just hit the 60, 70 pips in profits, beautiful people. We just hit the 60 mark. And now you're going to start seeing some major rejections from there. And if not, let's get goofy. Let's get goofy. Let's get goofy. Deuces, deuces, deuces. Yeah, my house making weird noise. My house making weird noise. 1 second, YouTube. I'm still with you. I'm still with you. I'm still with you. Oh, let's go. We're gonna break the area. Look at the 4 hour. Look at the 4 hour. Oh my goodness. Look at the 4 hour. Look at that Wick. Sheesh. 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 Y'all made money today? Y'all made some money today? Let's go. Bing bop boom bop bing bop boom. The type of shit we only wouldn't understand. Beep bop boom bop bing bop boom. Got to love it. Got to love it. If anybody got any questions, feel free to type them in the chat right now. You got 5 more minutes. If not, I will excuse myself. I have a tub of Vaseline and a couple videos to watch. You know what I'm saying? I got an empty house. I can light candles right now. You know what I'm saying? I can. I can light candles. If you think you're lonely now, wait until tonight, girl. Elizabeth, the roof is 3392, 3389, I think, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, there it is. There's the roof. The roof is on fire. Oh, hashtag no Diddy. Hashtag no Diddy party. This is a 101. Ain't no party like a 101 party, baby. You remember that song? Wait until tonight, girl. You're gonna be holding me. Wow. I'm telling y'all don't know about that shit. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna get that 12 play going on. I don't know about everybody else. 1, we'll go to my room for fun. 2. Oh my God, what a beautiful trade. What a beautiful trade this morning. What a beautiful trade for content. That's the whole class right there. That's the whole class right there in 4 candles. That is beautiful. Starter class, middle class, ending of class, class is over. Literally, class is over. I love y'all. Y'all make the rest of your day the best of your day, beautiful people. And let me tell you, if you're in that, don't lose this trade. Just literally take partials, put stop loss at break even, or put her at your aggressive. Sit your stop loss at the 33.54. If she comes back and gives you 10 pips, that's what it is. But be willing to stay in the fight and see what she does, because you got news coming up. So here in the next hour or so, you can easily see a 33.65, 33.70. After open bail, you can, listen, after open bail, she can shoot all the way up here. Literally come all the way up here, 33.75, 33.78, that area. Easy. She could easily come right here in open bail with crazy news. Easy. But let's go see her. Because that's where she coming. That's just the middle of the zone. Here she comes. Just walking down the street, singing do what did. All right, guys, it is official 4:58. That is 58 minutes on the clock. I love you guys. I am out of here. I'm going to drop it in there. Make sure you drop your comments on here. Just to let y'all know. Just to put y'all on blast. Let me show y'all something while we're here. Just to show y'all how y'all be hating. Look at the comments on the videos. I want y'all to see it. Look at the live performances. Just to show y'all. Just to show y'all.
Did I say job title yet? Get started today and see how
Where
you
is
can
it
avoid
at?
the void and reach the right
I
buyers
don't want to do it
with
right
LinkedIn
here.
ads. We'll even give you a $100 credit on your next campaign. Get started at linkedin.com/generate. Terms and conditions apply.
Boom, 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 boom. There go my playlist. Here we go. You got 101 videos over here. This was a live trading session. 6 comments. Y'all horrible. 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 Let's go your videos. Let's do lives. I forgot where they going. Oh, there it goes. There it is. Look at this. 1 comment, 18 comments. So y'all made a lot of money over there. 6 comments, 13 comments, 8, 7, and I got 200 some people on my team. Y'all don't love me like y'all say y'all do. You don't love me like you say you do. I love y'all though. I love y'all. Whether you like it or not. Whether you like it or not. That's a beautiful gold trade. And she closed in the 33.59. So that means you guys are good for the 33.53 hold. She closed above the 57 and above the 58 and gave you a 59. So she will retest the 58 and fly back up out of there. Just to let you see it. Just to let you see it. Right up in there. Bink. Get up out of there. Get up out of there. I love y'all. Deuces. Deuces. And I love you too. I love you too. That one with the 1 comment is mine. I already know, Patrice. I'm already knowing. You just subscribed, Jared? I appreciate you, Jared. Welcome to the family. Welcome to the family. Remember, I just told you I was going to retest the 58. There's the 58. So don't act like I don't know what I be talking about. There's your 58 right there. There's your 58 right there. There she goes. Do our live chat comments not count? No, Siobhan. This is the comment section. The comment on the actual, it's like a comment on the video. These don't count. This is just live. People see them when they're watching it live. You know what I'm saying? They see it. But I'm talking about the actual keeps the videos on the algorithm. You know what I'm saying? Look at that 60. Look at that 60 drop. 60 back down to 57. Y'all see it? 60 back down to 57 in your face. 60 back down to 57. She should start pulling from that 57. Amen. I love y'all. Y'all make the rest of your day the best of your day, beautiful people. Deuces.